What's going on, guys? Beautiful day in the market now. The elections are over. The polls are closed. We got our new president. Whether you like, love it, hate it, doesn't really matter. We should have all made some money today trading. We are going to go over the simple strategy and the setups that a lot of us inside of Evolution traders took. By the way, guys, if you're struggling out there to find a level of consistency, join the room, guys. I mean, just get in there. You can trade with other people. You can learn. I've got courses. I've got live trading. I've got an interactive community where we're looking to grow together as a team. So let's go ahead and kind of dive into what's going on now. Obviously, all night we pushed higher. Okay, that's a given. I believe many of you guys were watching the markets overnight. But if you kind of look at what was going on here, just 5 minutes before the bell, we were kind of selling off a little bit, trading right below that 20-period moving average. And we got that close over the 20 SMA 5 minutes before the market opened. Now, this first 5-minute bar, again, if you're inexperienced, I would say stay away from it just due to the volatility. Okay, stay away from it. If you've been in the game for a little bit and you're comfortable trading and you know what you're looking for, this is a play that we're taking each and every single day inside of our Evolution Traders community. Now on YouTube, I will tell you guys automatically stay out of this because a lot of this stuff you're going to get chopped up on. But when you're trading with a team, when you're all looking at the same things, you have confidence in these levels, you have clear breakouts, we are definitely taking these trades. A lot of us took this trade. That was a quick little winner there. I traded 2 mini contracts on that trade, took a quick $200 on that first 20 SMA play, literally when the bell opened. And we caught a beautiful trade after that, which I'm going to keep exclusive to the members inside of Evolution Traders. You guys all know, for those of you guys who were on the call today, you guys definitely took that trade with me to the long side. But the next trade setup was here. This time was 9:45 in the morning, so about 15 minutes off the bell. We had that immediate high push. We did have low of day down here, so we had a little bit of a double bottom test, which never actually got broken through. But right here, okay, so this is a big candle, right? Mind you, this is a very big candle here. Again, depending on your stop loss, you have to kind of work with the markets, right? I was explaining to the traders today on the call that, you know, sometimes we need to be a little bit more dynamic in terms of where we're putting those stops and how we're managing our position size on these trades. Nevertheless, this trade here did pay off another little quick 5 points there to the downside. Now, this trade was tricky. Okay, because depending on your stop loss, this 20 SMA play could have stopped you out because this particular candle right here, this candle did pull back. If you had a too tight of a stop, you were going to get stopped out. However, if you start to run that dynamic stop loss, you start to hold these a little bit longer, you see we're trending over the 20 SMA, you dial back your size instead of trying to make $20,000 a trade and just try to make, you know, $100, $200 a trade and open up that stop loss a little bit, you would definitely have caught this next move. Now, we did put in a little bit of a double top. So you can see here, this little bit of a double top, which finally got broken through. If I draw this line across straight, you can see that we've just recently broken through within the last 30 to 45 minutes there. So that was also another long potential setup there. Now I'm all done trading on the day. I think I locked up around $3,200 across 3 funded accounts. Very good day. Traded some options. It's an all-around good day. Now we're going to get back to those days where we get Trump to make that one tweet. It's going to send the market up 50 points, send the market down 50 points. Volatility is coming. Volatility is back. If you're not used to or enjoy trading the volatility, you know, you're going to have a tough time. So you're going to really need to hone in your skills and your strategies. Again, just to kind of go over a couple more setups. There was another short setup here at 10:50 in the morning EST. That did get confirmed at 11 o'clock, and it did pay for a quick 5 points. We also had another setup here. Now, this one here, I did take this trade, and I want you guys to kind of keep in mind, it doesn't look like it did much, but the high price was $20,768, and we ran up to $20,775. There was a quick 5 points there, another $100 winner. So again, we were just taking winners back to back to back to back. This is a setup here that I teach inside of Evolution Traders. Not going to go over it here on YouTube just because it's a little bit more intricate. It requires a little bit more of a dynamic stop loss. Again, don't want to really cover that because, again, you know, for those of you guys who are just looking to build consistency, it can get a little overwhelming. Again, what I say to focus on, 1 trade setup, 2 or 3 trades a day max, wrap it up, come back tomorrow. 1 trade setup, 2 or 3 setups a day max, wrap it up, come back tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. If you want to get more serious, where you're going to actually trade with us each and every single day live in real time, get access to the courses, get access to the community, get access to all the private channels, you got to become a gold member. However, I do have a free portion in there as well. You can come in and kind of get some reviews and some recaps and some a little bit of general training and teaching in there. I did a webinar in there for the free members yesterday. It was pretty cool. Had a few people show up, a few people listen. Again, I'll drop those nuggets for you as best and as much as I can. With that being said, give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure to like it. If you guys need Apex accounts, use the link down in the description box below. I don't believe they have a sale going on right now, but you guys can reset your accounts. I believe $35, so that's not bad. It's about the same price as the 85% off. I'll catch you guys all in the next one.